Halo Tribuners, welcome back with me Kustul Asyaifah in Indonesia News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is, become a victim of the hit and run in Bandar Lampung. A female motorcycle dies on the spot. A motorcycle rider became a victim of hit and run after an incident on the Soekarno-Hatta Street, Panjang Sud, Bandar Lampung. From information completed by the tribunlampung.co.id, the incident left the common person dead and accurate on the Monday, June 6, 2022. It is Takaran and Sisorin. At the time, the victim identified as Putri Anggraini, 28 years old, was riding a Honda Supra X motorcycle with a police license plate number 4963 RD. At the scan of the incident, this resident of Kuto Rajo Hamlet, Gedung Tataan Pesawaran allegedly trying to avoid a hole and the cops rules of the balance. She was riding fell to the left side of the road. After some time, a green truck became further behind, and the truck, which not to be identified, ran over the victim body, causing him to die and the scan. Police at the Bandar Lampung Resort adjutant to the police commissioner Muhammad Rohmawan confirmed the incident. Rohmawan explained that the victim was about to have died at the scan due to severe injuries to the legs and head. Rohmawan explained the victim eventually dropped from the segment to the ambulance by because the weather was raining at the time. The victim died not released. There was a hole in the road section. According to the Rohman, based on the testimony of the number of the witness, the location of the victim was the green dump truck. However, none of the residents recorded the license plate number of the truck. Therefore, according to Rohmawan, until now his party is making self-report to the identified truck. Rohmawan adapted currently the victim motorbike that evacuated to the Langka unit of the traffic police of Bandar Lampung for further investigation. Meanwhile, the victim of being autopsied at the hospital was badly brought by family to Brudial. The next news is, Colonel Christ meetings ahead of the Colonel Priyatno sentencing season. The panel of the High Military Judges of the Jakarta High Military Court II will root out to the verdict of the verdict against and defeat the alleged Priyatno murder case related to the lovebird incident in Nagora, West Java, Colonel in Priyanto, Tuesday, June 7, 2022. This has also been confirmed by the High Military Process Durant, Colonel Suswirya Boy. Based on the information gathered, Priyatno has presented the Jakarta High Military current area since around 9:30 in the morning. Military personnel were also seen sparked in the Kuta area. A number of the officers and the media crew will saw the scheming staff preparing and waiting to the trial. Priyatno was previously sentenced to the life imprisonment, dismissed to the military service of the High Military Procedure during a trial at the Jakarta High Military Court II on the Thursday. The high military procedure was abide in the Eden Mill had said the high military procedure Sorrel considered at the Priyatno has been legally and confidently proven the guilt of the three criminal counts of the incident through the high military procedures. Instrument have a number SDE key to that 10 February 2022. First, namely jointly committing first the crime of the murder, second kidnapping, third, and the height of the corpse. For the reason, he said that the high military procedural appealed to the panel of the judges at Jakarta High Military Court 2 to the declare Priyatno guilty of the committing the section primary crime, wherever jointly identity and the planning to the wake life of the as regular and the training of the criminal functions under the Article 340 in the Constitution with the Article 50 paragraph 2, 1 and 2 of the Criminal Code. Then selector of the Priyatno was the guilty of the combination to the first criminal act. Wherever took away from the place of the resident together with the identification of the placing that the person against to the law under his control and the regular and the Christmas with the enforcement according to Article 328. In this of the Criminal Code in conjunction with the Article 525, a paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code 10. Since the Priyatno was the guilty of the combination through the crime, whatever took a war, a corpse, and together with the intention with hiding, this death of the regulate was the treated with the crime according to Article 191. It is of the Criminal Code in the conjunction with the Article 50, paragraph 1 and Criminal Code. We will also the read of the numbering of the mitigating and the aggravating things for the Priyatno as material for the consideration by the panel of the high judges in determining the weight or the likeness to the vertical handed down. The things are the meekly said the federal the Priyatno is not harnessed. It makes the trial easier, has never been confided and regrets his action. The next news is old buildings in the Bandung where explosives and the farmers are found. The old building of the main street of the office area street on Asia Afrika Bandung City was a cordon off by police after explosives of the framers were found there on the Monday, January 6, 2022 night. Office activity in the area continued to run normally. There is no ground for the police around the location. In the front of the two-story building, there is an alert sign in the already installed by the owner. There is this land belongs to the G claim and hiring grade. Previously, that the West Java Regional Police Gegana team together with the Bandung Resort Police secure explosive and flammers containing bulk from the old building on the Asia Afrika Street, Bandung City, Monday morning. The chief of the Bandung Resort Police Commissioner of the Police Aswin Sipayung that the initial of the party receiving a reward from the employment was the planning to the report the building. It's received to the report around half and the 18th evening. From the report, his body together with the West Java Police Gegana team then the conduction a crime scam for the murder, then the 3 horse and the fax explosive and the firearms. Aswin could not provide detailed information about the findings, all the still are run under investigation. Explosive, Sharp with a response, and the bodies were booked by the West Java Police Mobile Brigade team for the disposal. The next news is a group of the motorized people persecution recent in Pekanbaru. A video showing a group of motorcycle persecuting residents in Pekanbaru has gone viral. This video is circulating a number of the WhatsApp group VIG and also saw the media account. According to information, the incident took place in the off Tuanku Street, Tambusai or Street Nangka on the Sunday, Jan 5, 2022 at around 2 p.m. Many say at the group of the people, a group of the motorcycle gangs. From the 1 minute and the 20-second video received to the tribunepekanbaru.co.id, it can be seen of the victim riding a motorcycle was being crushed by the tonsure of the motorcyclist. The victim fell. He then became the butt of the prevention. Some can catch the victim, but him and come with his motorbike to the put victim on top. The victim was seen lying helpless. The prevention that leaving and a victim lying to the road just like that, the longer had the resident come to the victim. So far, there eventually have the victim as a result in now in conditions, including what was a motive for the precise schedule also to be relieved. It's not yet certain whether it's a motorcycle gang, is the motorcycle gang or not. Regarding incident, the Pekanbaru Police Chief Commissioner Priya Budi, that the head of the Criminal Investigation Unit, Police Commissioner Andriawan Setiawan, said that his body was still investigating. He explained that the police are now including a search and a final CCTV footage. As is known, several years ago, that the victim was the motorcycle gang created a scandal that disturbed in the people of Pekanbaru city. They rode on the street and night until dawn, crying sharp word spawn. The next news is trial of the confessed truck driver accident in Balikpapan. The legal process for the accident case continued that the Rapak investigation North Balikpapan entering the trial Monday, 6 Jan 2022 at the Balikpapan District Court. The trial was the precedent that the by-over panel of the judges considering of the presiding judge Ibrahim Palido and the member judges Sutarno and Arif Wicaksono. The agenda this time is the examination of the expert and truck owners who were directly involved in the tragic incident. Two of them are guarded police. Meanwhile, the individual and the initial IMF, 48 years old, attend to the offline trial according to Balikpapan class to be routed. He detailed that the list of the words and affirmation that the fact the phone phrases Nelly and have now become a court facts. One of them, the accident was the crime by the neglect of the man and driver when the heartbreaking incident occurred. In addition to the absence and owner of a strike Eddie Purwanto disturbing and the fast investigation victim family, that the panel charges including that the Harry might took prior to obligation to provide compensation as the stipulating in the provisions. At the end of the trial, Ibrahim Palido asked to have the incident that the Supreme Court in the testimony given to the trial extends The agent PF expanding the expert that truck travel will be continue next week with the agent of the experiencing the cause. The next news is delegation of the 4th Region continue council attending Manokwari, West Papua. The Women 20 or Y20, a side event which was the held in Manokwari Regency, West Papua, was confirmed to be attended directly by the international guests such as the 5 First Lady or the Embassy. The news was relayed by the head of the local confirmed for the Y20 and Y20 sites event, Melkiaswari Nusa, on the Tuesday, 7 June 2022. The last information is that 5 of the head in the state, the embassy will not be present in Manokwari. He said that consular was inserted 7 days before Y20's event. He suspected that the transaction between Russia and Ukraine were cause of the cancellation of the visit 5 award from the flow before to the Manokwari country. Their absence in Manokwari might use a little disappointed, nevertheless. There's 5 areas will take part in Y20 even virtually, but it's even better to be present offline in Manokwari. Meanwhile, for the national guest side main case, there's 472 delegates from the several provinces in Manokwari. 172 people and was a client that attended to the Y20 international event in Manokwari. He admitted that the clear from the national level such as the North Sumatra delegation is not there the willing to attend. In the additional, one minister will be present in Manokwari during the Y20 implementation. And the last news is Medan City Police result will fire Brigadier Wisnu. Medan City Police Chief Commissioner Valentino Alva Tresna said the dismissal section was waiting for the Brigadier Wisnu Wardana. Wisnu is a member of the Sabara Polres in the Medan, which is the supplier of the metamorphonin to the judges in Banten. According to the Valentino, Brigadier Wisnu will be fired in his province to have combination of loyalty, especially as a supplier of the methamphetamine. Valentino ensured that the Brigadier Wisnu Wardana supplied the methamphetamine to the judges and the Rangkas Belitung, Banten District Court Yudi Rasmada, 39 years old, and the Danu Arman, 39 years old. The shipment to the Myanmar was declined 5 times. Finally, Brigadier Wisnu was Wardana supplying to the Blue Ice type of the crystal methamphetamine, supplied 10 grams to the 20 grams of the methamphetamine. Brigadier Wisnu has supplied methamphetamine to the judge Yudi Radinata. It was relieved by the former director of the National Investigation of the North Sumatra Police, Brigadier General Henry Marpaung. Currently, Brigadier General Henry Marpaung serves as the head of the Banten National Narcotic Agency. Brigadier General Henry also arrested Judges Yuri Dinata and the Judge Danu Arman. From development are 2 judges. It was really an important role of Brigadier Wisnu Wardana in supplying the crystal powder. Strong suspicion. The name Dewa revealed to Brigadier Wisnu Wardana from the result of the investigation. He said the modus used by the methamphetamine suppliers were a varied, starting from the pretending to send batches to the other items. Well, I think that's all for news for today with me, Kusnul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.